Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Okay, my name is Evan. So today we are going to learn about AI. So we are going to use this AI prompt. Is going to instruct and give the instruction to AI and help us to do some automation tasks. For example, we can use AI prompt to generate content without turn on any book, without figure out. So this is what we are learning today. So today is 25th of December 2024. We are here at Opa Synergy. So first of all, would you like to take any introductions about yourself?
Hello, everyone. My name is Daisy.
Asmin, hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine today.
So how about you? Lin, morning. Yes, thank you for coming. You? Lim also. Thank you, Lim. You are? Boon. Lim, Boon, Aslin. Hi. So this is the SOP for today. Is we need to take on time. You need to silence your phone. Please silence your phone now. Please double confirm. Okay. And you may turn off the internet as well. So you need to take focus and pay attention for today's class. And our class today, I'm this trainer. So this is my profile. You can call me Edmund. You can call me my full name, Chin Siang, and this is my phone number. And actually, I'm from this AI industry since from 5 years ago. And 21 years ago, actually, I was from KEU, which is for study major in AI as well. So which is 21 years old, 22 years old, actually there's a lot of these AI courses. But during that time, there's no much of people who like to learn because of this a lot of mathematical calculation. I still remember last time there was 125 students in my class. 120 of my classmates, they choose to learn multimedia, to design program, to design website. But there was only 5 students, my classmates, including me, to learn AI. So AI actually is just theoretical at the moment. We have no idea how to control the AI. We have no idea how to implement the AI into our work. We only learn from all these, how to say, from book, theoretical only. So for my achievement, actually, I'm this director of a few company. Especially, I have this. I'm really interested to this troubleshooting in computer. That's why I learned AI and just want to know how the AI work and how the AI can help me to do my job automatically. But you can see. Let's continue over here. Any question you'd like to ask? No, right? Okay. So this is my black version slimming type. So since from 2017, actually, I was the first ones to public speaking for marketing course, which is Facebook marketing in Malaysia, the number one. And there's a lot of students you can see since 2017 until now. I got 23,000 of 279 students across Asian country. Oh, there's a typo error. And this is my software that I designed, especially for the message to you and the smart entry, actually, which is actually is already integrated with AI and how this AI will help us to do our job. And this is the first one. Is about accounting software. Uh, you can try to imagine that you just try to snap a photo and the account will be done automatically, the data will be input automatically, and including tax, pre-audit, as well as account report, and all done automatically. And I design and I build it with this Google AI together. So which means in the future, we are going to launch our product next month, alpha test. we are going to launch to this accounting firm. They are going to data entry without human being anymore. I give you a small comparison. If for one invoice data entry, maybe you need to take approximately 10 minutes. 10 minutes for one invoice. But for our AI system, actually we just took about 3 to 5 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds versus 10 minutes. So what if you try to input 100 invoices at the same time? You may need to take about approximately 1 to 2 days. But we just need to take 1 minute to 10 minutes to 20 minutes, then everything will be done at the back of the system. So this is my system, and this is my team, as well as my investor as well. And our software is going to launch the 7 countries across this Asia later, maybe 1 or 2 years later. And this is how this system works. Okay, this is just an introduction about what I have achieved. Now, another software that I've done, as well as this is also AI as well, and you can try to imagine if you have any customer asking questions and send any message to your WhatsApp, you need to reply instantly, right? The system will reply with 100 plus of languages instantly within 10 to 15 seconds. You can try to use voice, you can try to send any picture, the system will reply instantly. And we have already integrated with this OpenAI, Meta is coming soon, Google, Dialogflow, and all will done automatically, and it supported all these channels. Alright, so we are going to start our course, and this is timetable on the screen right now. We have 4 hours of class today. So today we are going to start at 10 a.m. today, and we have 2 modules. The very first module actually is the AI prompt fundamental. And I'm going to introduce about AI prompt to you, and you will see how their company implement AI into their workload to speed up the process, and as well as assessment for the FAQ, and then we have a short break during this 11:45. And modules 2, we are going to implement. I'm going to share with you how are we going to use prompt. And later you can try on your phone later. Okay, and our class will end at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. There's only 4 hours of class. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, right? So why you need to take this course to automate your task using AI prompt? The reason because of there's a lot of people, they have no idea how to implement it. This is the very mindset from the beginning. Most of the people, they're trying to use, they just think about this job currently I'm doing right now is not able to use AI to complete it. Maybe you can think about, this is my experience, no one can make it. Okay, so this is the most important thing. Now you can see, if let's say we can learn AI, now this is the course today, the outcome, I will let you demonstrate this fundamental of understanding the AI engineering. Once you got this understanding of AI, you will know how to implement it, then you will know how to increase your personal skills and the AI implementation into your work. Which means that this is the workshop for today. For workshop for today, after you learn for this class, you will know how to implement it. So this is the very outcome of today. So now, module 1, implement AI tech into every industry. So this is the introduction. Now you can see, from all these industries over here, actually since from 2021, there's a lot of industry they are trying to implement AI. 40%, you can see 40% here. They are trying to use AI into their industry, and they can save 40% of hours for banking, insurance, software, capital, energy. And why they want to use AI? Do you have any idea why they want to use AI? Why? For speed up their workload, to save their cost. Why? Try. Less people. They want to use less people, right? This is definitely how they want. And there's one thing they want to use AI because of data analysis. They are trying to use data analysis and send the data into AI for finding out the value from this data. Example, I believe that you have a lot of attention. You have a lot of attention, and by the way, before we continue, you need to write your name for attention to take course. Okay, so let's continue over here. They're trying to use AI to data analysis for the big company to analyze the data and find out the value from all the data. Because of from the past year, most of the people they are trying to input data and keep it in the database and without do anything, right? Just like your phone. You try to imagine you have chatting with your parents, you are chatting with your friend, you are chatting with your client. Have you ever find out that is this way of chatting with your client, is this the right way? That's why they are trying to use AI to find out which is the best way conversation in between client and you, and find out improve the closing rate. That's why they are trying to use AI. Definitely you can try to use AI to your industry as well. Alright, so now I give you an example. If let's say you can try to use AI for leads collection. Leads collection means that you can collect information from your client, and you can try to use AI as a customer service. When someone will try to ask any questions, any languages, any types of questions, the system will try to immediately to respond. Whether respond yes or no, whether respond want to buy or not. So you can try to see whether when we try to use AI, we can use a voice, text, image. Let this AI to complete it, to use the voice for make appointment. Example, we can use AI for flight booking. Flight booking. We even can use AI for interview, for reporting, for sentiment test. We can use AI for shopping, online shopping analysis to find out all these intention of the client or the visitor. Now, let's continue over here. The most advanced AI in the world. What is AI? Actually, AI is just a mathematician. It's really, really good in this mathematics. When you try to send a text of sentences, the AI actually will just calculate from this sentence, from the very first sentence, and what is the answer you are looking for. They're trying to use mathematics to calculate, to forecast, to try to understand, to find out what is the next question. This is the AI. So AI actually has a lot of this knowledge. They send all this data and training and answer you. And how does AI work? Actually, we are not able to use our simple computer to train this AI. We need to use NVIDIA GPU to train. Do you have any idea? One piece of GPU, how much? This is a single piece. How much? 28,000 USD. So actually, Elon Musk has 100,000 of NVIDIA H100 and H200. So one piece of 100, H100 actually costs 29,000 USD. So that's why training and AI actually is none of our normal people can buy and train. So we need to have this GPU from NVIDIA. And the most world intelligent LLM, which is AI, actually here, you can see we have Claude, we have Gemini, we have this ChatGPT. Later I'm going to use ChatGPT for demonstrate and how to use AI prompt. But first of all, we need to understanding how the system, how this company and what types of AI we are having right now. And to train an AI, actually you need to pay for 720 millions to train USD. To train only one AI. So if let's say in the market, if someone tell you, hey, I just trained a new AI. Would you like to invest me? Do you think it is possible? To train an AI, we need to pay 720 million USD. So now we are going to see how this AI works. When we try to type anything, over here, we ask AI. The AI will go through here, over here, 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 and the output. This is how the AI works. When the AI works, this is how the AI thinks. This is the AI brain. When you type something, AI will give you answer. Now you can see how the AI get the result. When you send something, it get the result, find the answer, and get the answer with it. This is what I have learned 22 or 23 years since from my university. That's why there's not a lot of people like to learn because of all of these calculation 0.0001% of this differentiation. And how the system, how this AI, actually AI has vision. AI can see you, AI understand you. How this AI work? To understand your picture. When you input this picture, it will go through over here, and you can see nothing, compare, start get eyes, nose, and find out, hey, this result, this picture, actually it is George. So, don't try to cheat AI. Don't try to send your picture to social media. Actually, Facebook, Google, they all has keep all your data. And for Meta Facebook, they have launched a new spec of AI. When you wear this spec, go over there, anywhere, you see nothing. I just wear my spec, I just click here, and I will scan you automatically, and Facebook will tell me, what's your name? Where do you live from? Without you answer me, I will know. Because of AI has already captured all your data. You have already posted anything to your photo, selfie, video record to Google, YouTube, Facebook, right? All this data has been kept and analyzed. So don't do it. Privacy. So let's see how this big company, they are using AI for business transformation. And this is very, very good example. Now have a look here.
Hello there. I'm here with my son, and I'd love you to tutor him on this math problem. But don't give him the answer. You can ask questions and nudge him in the right direction, but I really want to make sure he understands it himself. And he's here in the room, so you can talk to him directly.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Let's look at the problem together. Can you first identify which sides of the triangle are the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse relative to angle alpha?
Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is the angle alpha right here, right?
Perfect. That's correct. Now, looking at the triangle, which side do you think is the hypotenuse?
I'm not totally sure. I think it might be this one, but I really am not sure. This side AC.
You're close.
Do you think in the future we need any teacher? This guy, actually, he is one of the one of this online academy owner. He is sending his sons using OpenAI ChatGPT 4, using iPad to learn this mathematics from AI. So we don't need to hire any tuition teacher, no need teacher anymore. So which means that your business can across all the world. So it can make USD instantly. Any languages. Now let's see another AI.
Yeah, hey Glenn. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted you to explain to our audience how you work.
This is AI response.
think that's enough for now. We'll let people talk with you on their own on our website. Thanks, Glenn. Have a great day.
Thanks, Isaiah. Have a good day.
How do you think? In the future, no customer service anymore. Not in the future, actually currently is. So this how fast do you think how fast the response when they ask a question? 0.5 seconds, less than 1 second. When you ask any question, within 1 second, AI will reply you and talk to you very, very fast. Now, let's come over here. Tesla implement AI into car autopilot, driving car, and they're using AI with this robot to work in this factory 24 hours. 1 hour, how much for the labor? How much? Try and guess. 1 hour's cost. Just give it a try. Huh? 1 hour's robot work for you cost. This robot working with AI. 100 US, 1 hour. No.
How many robots?
One robot, 1 hour. How much cost? No idea. $2 plus.
US or?
US. 1 hour, $2 plus. Work 24 hours. You just need to pay for. Come again?
No need to.
No labor issue.
No labor issue.
Yeah. No sentiment issue. No argument issue. Just work. Do you think robot can help us to take care of old people?
Maybe.
Yes. Actually, Alibaba has already launched this AI product, which is take care of these retirement people. Do you think AI can and robot can cook for you?
Future, yes.
No future. Yes, right now. Goreng chicken. Yes. Coffee. Everything. You will see this robot will launch the market maybe after 6 months later. But actually, this robot has already been tested right now. Now you can see video. Video actually, they are trying to use AI to change video, which means that in the future, no actor, no actress anymore. Generate any video with using AI. You can change any object inside. No 3D anymore, no animation anymore. Just type the word, the person wearing a full life. See, change immediately. This is AI. Will AI kill our job? Yes, right? No. Definitely no. If you have no idea how to use AI, definitely yes. You need to use AI, you need to control AI. AI has already in our life. So which means that no need to learn how to become a photographer, director, to film anything. You can free to use AI with camera. See, yoga teacher. See, calculation. God. Safety. AI with vision. AI has eye. Can monitor, can help you. See, this is orange. No new worker. This is the system I built. 24 hours working to reply a customer. using 3 AI, Cloud AI, Gemini, and OpenAI, to reply your answer, to send the information, anything. I help a lot of these small company to build these types of AI. The AI can reply in Malay, in English, any languages, 100 plus of languages. And this is the types of AI from internet, text generation, voice, video, image, a lot of software. There's a lot of software you can try to use. Alright, so before we continue over here, any question you'd like to ask? Or let's go through this FAQ. You're going to have this 15 minutes of break. Yes. But before that, you need to go for this FAQ. Come. Ask question. Try. What have you think about after you have seen this AI video? Come on. Try. Never try, no break. Do you think how are you going to implement AI to your work, to your business? Try this way. Try this angle of thinking. Let me share something with you. Actually, I'm not programmer. Programmer need to coding, need to type coding, right? I have no idea how to type any single line of code, but I know how to build a software. How I do it? Just ask question in AI. Later we will learn these things. Just type the question in human being language. The AI will help us to do everything. Example, I would like to create a website to sell anything. A website with multiple language. Just this simple word. Then the AI will help me to create all this coding and then copy and paste into the server. Then my website will live immediately. Very fast. And this is how I implement AI. Compared to last time, before I need to learn, I need to study, I need to take a lot of courses, I need to work for someone, then I only gain this experience and how code this AI and how this how to put this coding program. But now no need. So which means that when you know how to use these tools to implement in your task, and this is what I think, and how about what you think? Just help you to drive a car, send you to work using AI. Come on. One question. Then we'll go for break for 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so if let's say there is no any question, then we are going to have 15-minute break. Then after this, we are going to go for this module 2, not module 1, module 2. Now, let's come back later. Thank you. Okay.
所以我觉得你要快快因为因为我的4点多，我的会计
Okay.
对只有1分钟。
Let's continue to this. Let's continue to this FAQ section here. Any question would like to ask about how are you going to use this AI to implement into your business, your task, or your job? Try. I use this AI to become AI assistant to help me to reply my clients, and the system is able to detect what types of language are you using. It can work 24 hours. It helped me a lot. Actually, I never hire anyone to this to do this reply to my client. It just work automatically, even midnight, 24 hours.
Can we ask AI to do the accounting for us?
AI use AI for accounting, am I correct? Yes, definitely yes. Actually, I do have one of the software I call this Smart Entry, and you just try to snap a picture using your phone, and this will become an image and just upload into the system. The system will snap, will capture, will extract all those texts from the image, and then data input into accounting system, and done within a few, maybe just less than 1 minute. The cost of this actually is not really high, just maybe a piece of paper, just less than 10 cents. So for our calculation, actually, when we try to use this AI for this, for my idea, actually we are developing these types of AI right now. What I want actually monthly 300 plus, including account, bookkeeper, audit, tax agent. That I will. So you try to imagine when you work when you talk to someone and someone who requests you, hey sir, madam, can you give me your latest account from your company? How are you going to do? Definitely will send a text message to your accountant. Hey, Mr. Can you generate a report to me, right? So when the Mr. will reply to you 1 hour later, 1 day later, even 1 month later. But when you implement AI, right, within 1 to 2 minutes, report come out very fast. Please try to ask questions. Try to ask questions about AI in your life. You try to imagine when how the AI in work in the life. Actually, there's a lot of people have no idea how AI can help you in the life. You just try to imagine. Do you have any repetitive work or task every day? Just every day, wake up in the morning and go to the office. You need to take attendance. This is repeat daily job, right? When you sit inside office, what do you need to do? You need to check who has attended, who has never attended. You try to imagine if there's you need to call your client every day, 10 client, 20 client, you need to talk. And then, hey, Mr. Tan, you have to pay for the monthly service. Yeah, this has already been expired, right? All these things I mentioned just now, you can use AI for automatically to done for the job. I give you one example. One of my clients last time, she need to hire 2 or 3 persons to just for checking every day who has the payment has already been expired for the past months. The staff need to call to send message to remind to collect the payment for insurance, for monthly insurance. Daily check, 1,000 of client daily check. What if these 3 staff, one has MC, The investments for this AI actually is depending. Some of this AI is very cheap. Example, if let's say you want to use AI for content generation, it's very cheap. You can use it free. And our module 2 later, I'm going to share with you how are we going to use AI to generate, which means this is free. But for accounting, definitely you need to invest. For reminder, definitely you need to invest. And all this, you need to just maybe a few thousands of monthly for development. Then this programmer will help you to design, to customize for you. Which means that you can use AI to customize into your business for your repetitive job tasks to make it automatically. For our calculation, actually, you can free your time 50% daily. What do you think? If you can reduce your job task 50% daily, what you are going to do? What are you going to do? For holiday? For a cup of coffee with a friend? For everything, for anything, right? Definitely. That's why actually AI, which is help us to reduce our cost, to increase our times to freedom. Disadvantage. Actually, actually you try to imagine from the 70s of 1970, there's a lot of machineries come out and into our industry. There's a lot of the labor cost has been cut down, but increase the production. In 1980 or 1990, Windows has launched Windows computer, right? To speed up our process, to typing, to generate content, to type content. Have you ever think during this period of times, there's a lot of people who lost their job? No. No. This will help a lot of, increase a lot of economy. That's why China and US, they're trying to invest a lot of this AI industry. They want to use AI for production to speed up the process. Example, using AI with this machine to work 24 hours to produce 10 tons, 20 tons, or 30 tons extra daily without using human being. Reduce the cost, reduce the selling price. This is the product competitive in the market. Definitely will help a lot. But reduce a lot of these labor costs. Definitely you think, oh, I will lose my job. No. You have to think about, I want to use AI and for my job, then definitely you will get this job in the future. You will never lose your job. And there's one thing that this is my encourage, there's a lot of AI learning. Actually in 2025 in Malaysia, government is really encouraged any industry must learn AI. Must learn AI. You need to use AI like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint into your life, into your job. Which means in your course study, in your training, must related to AI. Without AI, you will definitely fail. Because of, as I said previously, I'm not a programmer, but I know how to code. I know how to create a program. I just use AI. I just sit in my house working, and the system will work automatically. Any other question? Try to ask questions. Actually, it's very good for you. AI is not perfect. AI definitely will give you wrong answer. Even AI will cheat you. Tipu. That's why AI is not perfect. You need to, human being has to be QC. Stand at the QC point to check whether this is correct or not. I give you an example. In AI, you can tell AI, hey, come out a new content to me, I need to propose to my boss. AI definitely will give you a big proposal with a lot of content and structure, line by line. It looks logical, but is this really true? Not really. You need to amend, you need to change it. But it helps you to generate the content within just a few minutes. So you just need to change it, then save the time. So definitely AI will give you wrong answer, but you need to check. Once you check and complete it, then done. Any other question? I really like this section because of the question you asked actually is about what you are concerned. Alright, so we are going to this modules 2. This is break times minutes, so just now. Okay, we are going to modules 2. How to write AI prompt. Prompt actually is just instruction. Prompt, when we try to use AI prompt, we need to write something. Example, hey, do this for me. Hey, move this chair from left to right, from right to left. Hey, sit in front here. Actually, I was trying to use this human language, right? Actually, this is prompt. This is prompt. Prompt is instructions. We are using these types of languages, these types of the way how we chat, how we talk, and we can instruct the AI to give us the answer. Now, when we want to use AI, actually there's a formula over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The very first one is role playing. Second is expertise. Number 3, requirement. Number 4, constraint. Now, the very first one is act as a role model. Example, please become a photographer. You are very good in snap photo. What I want, generate the content, how to learn to snap a photo with 5 single steps. The condition is in Mandarin or English. Do you get what I mean? This is how we write a very simple prompt. When you know the formula over here, definitely you will know how to use AI to generate any content as you wish. So very good. So now we can see here how to use AI prompt for content and data analysis. Okay, now I'm going to use sample over here. So now you can see. Is on. Oh, here. Okay. Now you can see my screen here. Now I'm using my lens becomes a content marketer. Okay, you are really good in marketing post content creations. This is my formula, and you need to give me 10 title and 1 to 2 paragraph of content to attract about learning English course. Yes, please write in simple language. Now just press it. I've done my job. I've done it without thinking. You give it hand. So what I need to do, just copy and post into Facebook. You got it? Is this fast enough? Okay. So when we try to use this content generation, not only in marketing posts. Any post would like to play with it. Example, okay. Write an email about invitations to my business opening. Email. Done. If you are not good in English, you can type in Mandarin. Okay. Write in Mandarin. That's it. Cool, right? Free. Free to use. Not only ChatGPT, we can use Cloud AI. This is another type of AI. I like to use Cloud AI. Cloud AI is the most advanced and intelligent AI in the world right now. Free daily 10 times. 10 times, yes. Otherwise you have to pay. I give you an example. Write me a code in JavaScript. Okay. A simple website homepage in beauty industry. Now you can see the system is trying to create a code. Actually, they are the same. Cloud AI and ChatGPT, even Gemini, there's a lot of these AI in the world. They are really same. But the way, the structure, the logical thinking, the capability actually has a big difference. Now, my website has been done. Do you have any idea to create a website, how much we need to pay? Few thousand, right? I just finished it in front of you just less than a minute. Yes, we can use ChatGPT, we can use Cloud and create the website and just copy the code and put it into your server. Now, let me share with you. Here. Okay. Write me a HTML website about beauty industry. A simple home page. See? Do you think when we try to use AI in our life, it will work automatically like this? How much time will we spend, will save? A lot, right? Done. Copy and paste. Done. You even can use Gemini. Gemini, which is Google, free. Even a lot, 20 or 30 times if I don't mistake. Free to use. Now, for our section right now, we definitely can skip to pay for programmer. Yes, we just need to pay for the server. Let me share something with you. This is real case. You can see over here, right? Okay, this is one task, this is second task, this is third task. Okay, 9 previous chat over here. My chatting, my history, coding. That's why I say I'm not programmer, but it worked for me. It just write something, just do everything. So before continue, any question would like to ask? After this, I'm going to share more functionality. You can try to use it for accounting, paper, data analysis, even PowerPoint. Come on. No question. Would you like to take another 5 minutes of break? Yes. So let's come back after 5 minutes. Okay, let's continue after the very short break. Now, any question would like to ask about the prompt?
New technology.
Mm-hmm.
So it's suitable for all industry.
Yes, actually AI is really suitable for all industry, but you have to understanding how to use AI to implement into your industry or your business. So I give you an example for medical. For medical, if you use AI to do research for medicine, then AI will come out with the result and give you this result, and you need to test for our experience. Actually, if let's say for human being to do this research for medicine, it may need to take approximately 1 to 2 years time. But for AI, actually it just takes approximately 1 to 2 hours time to complete the research and the result. And once this completion, then you can do the testing to test the medicines whether it's work for has any side effect or not. So that's why you can see you has already been saved 1 to 2 years time. Even security, you can use it. And one of my clients actually they asked me to create this security for babysitter industry, baby care center. The reason because of baby infant, maybe they will turn around. They'll try to turn around and this cause baby cannot breathe. That's why we implement this system into CCTV to capture, to monitor the surrounding, to see whether any dangerous cases come up. Then before this bad happening, yes. Continue. Any other question? No, right? All right. So let's continue to use AI to help us to do this content generation. Previously, we have already used AIs to create this marketing post. And I have already shared with you how to use AI to generate email with multiple languages. And how about when we try to use AI to generate this business poster, we can make it as well. I'm going to share an example with you. We need to use the same formula example. Becomes a business project manager. You are good in create business proposal for investor in English. Okay. I want you to simulate a business for training industry. For training industry, we want to focus in AI course for SME training in Malaysia. Okay. The proposal must suitable for investor, not parents or This which means that the project specialized in what industry? The project, the proposal. What industry? AI in training industry, right? In training industry. And what course that we are focused in AI course?
Okay, for example, OSH.
OSH. Yes. Just write the word, the keyword terms to replace it. This is the prompt, right? Just change the keyword. Any keyword that maybe, for example, it's, energy. Maybe example for marketing. Any example for tuition class, right? This is for academy, for training industry, for maybe for kindergarten. Just change the word. Just change the word. And now, okay. The proposal must be visible for investor, not parents or not students. Okay. At least 5 pages. 5 pages for CEO levels to view, and read the proposal. Okay. And see how the system will generate the proposal for me. Done. Yes. Done. Hands free.
This is act.
A website. Just a website. You can just free register and you can use maybe up to 10 or 15 per times every day without paying any single cent. How do you think? Good, right?
Okay, must do. Okay, so.
Do you have any idea how I design a course for my training? Do you have any idea? No idea, right? I use AI to generate for me. Without design the course, I just tell AI, hey, I want to come up with 4 hours or 8 hours of training course about marketing. Yes.
Personal branding, color analysis.
Okay. This become a training program advisor. Okay. You are really good in design the course outline for training course, right? Okay. The course how many hours you want?
4.
In 4 hours, the course training in 4 hours, okay? You need to give me outline and
Outline, content, schedule.
Content, schedules, and industry, assessment. Okay, that's all. Okay. Okay, now because of I didn't put this. This course title is
Personal
branding.
Subtitle color analysis.
Personal branding in
Subtitle is color in my content. First, color analysis.
color
Analysis.
personal branding or personal personality test for color analysis.
So AI only accept English or any language.
AI accept 100 plus of languages. Ah. Yeah. Target industry assessment method. 3 hours, 2 hours, 1 hours. Oh my God. Yes, give me an example. Let me share with you. Let me show you.
Okay, so with this modern AI.
Yes. Let me do some example. I just use the formula for 4 points only. Any content you want to generate, let me share with you before we continue to the next for the data analysis. Come on. For PowerPoint slide, definitely yes. Although for today is not in our training modules. But if let's say you can ask more questions, I will share with you hands-free PowerPoint creation with design within 1 or 2 minutes. Free, definitely yes, free. Come on, one question.
One more question. How about this AI? How will help us to process the e-invoice?
E-invoice. Actually, AI for the e-invoice is not able to make it because of e-invoice information is not completed yet. So which means that it's just a partial of information. But what if you have e-invoice information and the rules and the regulation, you just drag and drop into this website over here and just ask AI, hey, please analyze the content. I give you an example. Do you have any PDF file? Do you have any PDF file? Yes, inside this computer. Yeah, can you show me? Okay. Anything? Yes. Okay. Now this is video, and this is quotation. Now this one. This is document. No. No. Another one. This one. This one, right? Okay. What is this about? Can I open it? Which one? 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. No, I don't get it. This one. Okay, just open it. Just once. Okay, this thing. Okay, now let me share. Oh, just close it. Alright. Okay, here. What I need to do. Share something. This is the file. Here. Now this is a file that I've just drag and drop for the PDF. Please translate the file from the language into Mandarin. Let's do the first one. It's become translated. Now done everything. This is for translation. Okay. Now let me share something with you. Please change the content to please stimulate the content to someone. This is for education purposes. Change to another one. Other people. Wong Mei Ling.
Oh, these
Other people.
same format.
Same format. Yes.
10 years old.
Very fast, right? Okay. Now, even you can try to use another way. I want to apply the 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 okay. Now I want to copy this content and convert the content into simple table. See? Excel format. Excel format. I can just copy and paste. Copy and paste into my Microsoft Excel. I can change anything, right? Now, we can try to even insert a column. Okay. Please insert new column beside content. Explain it. New content. Explanation. Add on. Over here. The new added information. This one. Content. Although this is in Chinese, and we change it to other language. Translate in English. Wow. This is fake data, right? But if you have a real data, what do you think? A real data. Just copy and paste, just put your information from this person, Wong Mei Ling, to change to your real name, real IC, right? Real contact number, real reference ID, and just convert the content. And now we can do it this way. Convert the details into email. I want to inform the persons from the table above. Ta-da! What do you think? Okay, now give me a question about how are you going to use this skill into your content generations in the AI? Give me an idea. How? Hmm.
How to recommend how to sell, look at oil.
Yes. How to recommend, how to become a salesperson to sell oils. Okay. Okay. Now let's becomes a salesperson. You are really good to sales. How to spell the word?
L-U
VI
I-C-N-D, oil.
oils for car or for machine?
Automotive.
For automotive industry. And this is B2B or B2C? B to B. B to B, right? Okay. I want you to design a sales script for newbie, which is new persons, anyone who just join your company but has no idea how to sell. Okay, this guy has no idea how to sales our product. Okay, the sales script is very simple for 3 steps. Okay, when the salespersons who see the clients first time. 3 simple steps. Step 1, opening and problem discovery. Step 2, solution presentation. Step 3, commitment and next step. Key tips. We use this way to train our salespersons without spend our single time. Give me another example. Let me share with you. Let me generate the content to you. How to train your clerk for what? For data entry? For what? For sales data entry. Okay. Now, becomes a trainer of data entry. You are really good to input data into system in systematic. Okay, systematic. Okay, you want to train a newbie to input data into our system. Okay, I want you to give me the sequence in 5 simple steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with the data verification. Start with maintenance and consistent. Number 3, use keyboard shortcut. Number 4, double check as you go. Number 5, take regular break. Come on. Give me other example. Okay, now I'm going to share with you about this data analysis. Okay. Data analysis. It's very simple. Okay. Simulate a simple data about product delivery in table. Okay. I want this is for education purposes. Okay. The data for product delivery in table. This is for table mode. Now try to imagine. I believe that you have your system to input for data for delivery product, right? So this is the simple data only. So now I'm going to share with you about data analysis, right? I want you to tell me from the data from the table above, which one product I need to pay attention, which is for high value and potential to sell within these 3 months. Correct? I believe that this is what for all of the bosses of this high level of this position. Now, just press enter. Okay. It will just tell you which product. High unit product 500 to 2000 USD. Single order in 5 days. ORD 001. You have to pay attention to this product. And this is expected for high value item. High value item and successfully delivered with standard shipping. Okay, and the medium high value which is for 200 to 500. Okay, now let's continue. Please let me know which product is suitable for Malaysian market. I want to sell the product and earn high profit. Ta-da! Which product? This one, laptop. Yes, smartphone. So the data analysis actually is powerful than content generation when you use AI. If you try to upload any Excel spreadsheet for data from your post system, from daily report, and ask AI to help you to analyze and find out the value from the data. Many people like to use this way because they know, hey, I have experience, I know which product is suitable. But you have no idea actually which product is the potential in the future and will give you more money after 3 months. That's why data analysis from paper is really, really good for us to use AI analysis since it's free to use, right? Why not? If you try to hire someone to help you to do analysis, do you think how much do you want to pay? 1,000? More than that. And you need to explain, even though some of the data you are not able to show to this guy, right? Okay. Any other data analysis you want? I give you an example. One of the company, they are hiring me to do data analysis using AI for training purposes on January, which is next month. And they are listed company. And they are sending money to the ATM machine every day. You know which one? So a van, a delivery guy, to take money and then to insert money into ATM machine. So they have the delivery schedules for team 1, team 2, team 3. Example, team 1 sending for outlet bank machine, petrol station machine, and supermarket machine, right? So they hire me to do data analysis for this delivery path to find out which team is the high potential value will help me to make more money, and which team actually is high potential for security issues. So I just drag and drop the file and then just tell AI, hey, help me to find out which team I can give more job to them to help me to deliver money to the ATM machine and less potential of which. And AI give me the answer. And tell me after 1 month if I can train these types of team, how much extra money I can make. And the result is 10 million. 10 million. Without increase any single person for staff, without increase any van or any job, actually I can make extra 10 million. Do you think extra 10 million for after 1 month, would this really good? Very high amount, right? Any other question about the data analysis? No. How do you think if let's say you visit someone and someone would tell you, hey, how I can use AI for data analysis for my industry? How are you going to answer? How are you going to answer? Just use the AI, right? To type the prompt with the formula, and then to ask the AI to do the analysis and find out the result. That's all. Very simple. Alright, so this is the modules that we have covered. Now I'm going to check. I think first. Camera. Just a moment. Yes, data analysis. Here. Alright. Okay, let's come back for the recap over here. So just now we have already done for this marketing post, and we have done for the email, we have done for the business proposal, right? And after this, we have done for this a table with data and data with content and find out the value, right? So now here's the extra. Would you like to learn how to use this table of data and convert it into PowerPoint with the design, with using AI? Right. Now, first of all, what we need to do, we need to go for this AIPPT.cn. Okay. Actually, there's a lot of these software that we can try to use. But for this simulation today, I use AIPPT.cn. Right. This is just a software. Right. Because of this software, actually, you can is in Chinese because of every student over here, you know how to read Chinese. Yeah, AIPPT.cn, and you can go for Google to search any free software, right? So what you need to do, just try to click register. Just try to click register. Okay. You can use up to 8 times. Up to 8 times. Live. In a live, alright? So let me check. Okay, now after register and input the email, and the system will send this code to my email for this login. Now I got this AIPPT, okay, and I got this code number. Now let me log in here. Okay, after login, let me see. Alright. Now you can see how much still free to use. Now we still can use this software for 6 times. 6 times, right? Okay, now let's come back over here. Before we use PPT, I need to generate a content. We call this markdown. Markdown format. Markdown. Okay, this is markdown format first. Okay, now which means that this is all in this table format. Okay. Okay, this is the first thing first. Now, just a moment. Yes. Let me put into language first. Now we can convert it into this markdown in any languages, right? Convert into English. Okay. Now I got markdown here. It's very important. Now I got all this information from the table over here. Table over here. I've already converted into markdown. And just press confirm. Now converted, and then select the template, which design you want, which one to choose. 1, 2, 3, which one? Which color you like? Eva? Blue, this one. Okay, blue. Now click convert to PPT. Done. Oh my God. That's all. This is crazy fast, right?
Just copy and paste. I no need to copy and paste.
No need to copy and paste. Yes. Without any design. Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. You may need to take approximately 1 to 2 minutes times to convert into this PowerPoint format. Then even you can try to change the design after converted. Any design, any template design. That's why I like to use it. Do you think we still need to learn PowerPoint? Really? Yes. Okay. Now we can do some design, and over here, I think here, yes. You can change it, right? You can change it. You can change anytime. Logo, any picture you like, anything you like. Just do as you wish. Alright? PowerPoint. So now let's come back over here. Let's come back over here. What we have learned just now. Font, yes. 6 here. Oh, sorry. Okay. What we have just learned just now, using AI to generate content, right? Now, content converted into table format. Now, then convert into markdown, right? After this, generate PPT in AIPPT.cn. Just within just a few minutes. This is the whole process. You even can try to generate a lot of this picture using AI. You can generate video. You can generate anything you want, even voice. You can simulate your voice to generate and then posting to TikTok.
Okay, how about content from content generate to the schedule? 1 day, only 4 hours schedule.
4 hour schedule.
Timetable.
Timetable. Can, why not? Okay. Now let's simulate a data first. Okay. Let's simulate a table. Table of data. Okay. About what? Related about data related about what?
Beauty.
About beauty. Beauty about what? Training.
Training
Courses.
Training courses.
About training courses for beauty industry. Is that correct? Okay. This okay. Simulate a table of data for training. They're trying to generate cost. This is a fake data first. You can try to drag and drop your data from a PDF file format and to data analysis. Because we don't have any data, I just try to simulate the data and let you see. Okay, now I got the data now. What you want to use the data?
For training.
For training. Okay, I want to generate the content into, I want to convert, not generate, convert, yes, convert the data into training cost for how many hours?
7 hours.
For 7 hours. For 7 hours. How many modules?
4 modules.
Okay, only 4 modules. Only 4 modules with title and subtitle. Is that correct? And any information you want? Okay, just enter. Module 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
Then how about the format, the topic, like lesson plan?
Lesson plan. I want more details. Details in lesson plan. Okay. Please generate the content in text mode. Want more details? Good enough? Hands free. Because of not enough data. That's why this is just a fake data for generation only. Basic only. This is just a demo only. If you have enough information information about the tutorial, documentations, or theory information, just drag and drop, and then the system will analyze and really contain
So means
information.
we also need to key in.
Ask, not key in, ask. Give instruction. Yeah, just give instruction to the AI. Alright, so let's come over here. We have already almost complete our section, but let's do some recap from the beginning until the end. So first of all, let me go through over here, right? So quickly go through to recap. Okay, this is not one thing that, okay. This is the information that I have designed for the software for this data entry. And this is my software and my partner investor. Okay. And this is the software, how it works. And this is another software for customer service for AI. Alright. And our modules for today actually, which is we have covered two modules. The very first one, which is the fundamental of AI, and the second module, which is implementation. The implementation, which is about how we use AI to give instruction. Alright. So, but before we know that, we need to have this understanding how the AI work for every industry. So this is the industry that AI that implement the AI. This is for customer services, right? This is for booking, for interview, for shopping, right? So for advanced AI, that which is the how the AI work. AI is actually a mathematician, and the GPU, and the types of AI, and the cost of training AI, and how does it work. So this is how the AI work. When you ask a question, right? How the AI save the data, how the AI to see the picture, okay, and the AI that how big company they're using AI for car, for customer service, for teacher that I just pick up this the slide, and the AI with robot, the AI with video, AI with camera, right? AI with customer service, and types of different industry of this software with AI. And after this, I just talk you about when we want to write give instruction for AI. There's a formula: role playing, expertise, requirements, constraints, and these four of these formula is very, very important to give the instruction. All right. So I've just shared with you about how to use this prompt to generate content for data analysis, right? And also for the marketing post, email, business proposal, and final thing, which is about the data with content to find out the value. All right. Now we have 5 minutes of this group discussions. I need you to discuss about how your understanding about this. What have you learned and what's the biggest takeaway? Okay, now we join together and rounding together, and we have only 5 minutes, and one person has 1 minute to share with each other.
Our headmaster. Our head.
1 minute. Come on, join together. Yes, join together.
Master. My name is
1 minute.
series 很喜欢到对吗
Yes,
啊是这样子吗
voice, you use voice.
啊我喜欢 live series 不过live series
像不是像现在，然后我想我可以想我会想。nó bị chặt thì AI chạy á mà nó bị chặt
我 AI 猪你的 AI 猪吗都没有被播呀sorry 我们都是先哦
佢哋入咗個盤嘅唔知啊 AI chạy okay okay
Alright. Okay, so we are going to end this section, but before that we still have another 5 minutes of FAQ. And this FAQ actually just want you to tell me that what is the biggest takeaway, and based on the biggest takeaway, then I can give you some ideas. So who wants to be the number one? Just tell me what is your biggest takeaway.
学到什么
小，你
什么收获
你什么收获
me first
？Yes.
okay to me basically AI help us to save the time maybe save the costing and then
Save time, save cost.
yes
Okay, this is your biggest takeaway. Yes. Try to use this biggest takeaway, your understanding about the AI and how the AI will help you, right? Implement into your business, implement into your tasks, and reduce your cost and increase your time and spend your time with your family. Yes, this is the most important. What you have learned today, actually, this is what I do for my job every day, and just a simple prompt, enough is really enough. Yes, thank you very much, and give a short prompt to yes. What's the biggest takeaway?
AI will save a lot of time for us to
cannot give the same answer
Yes,
not accept
not accept.
that's why I said I'm the first one
Any other biggest takeaway? Oh, you're scared about AI will take away your job, right? Don't worry about that. Just try to you have to live with AI. You can't avoid it. You have to live with AI. You can't avoid it. You have to use it. Just like handphone. And since 1990 or 80s, since 1980, we have personal computer, right? Launched the market, Microsoft Windows, Mac computer. Actually, there's a lot of people saying that computer will take my job and I will lose my job. But no. But and even after 1990 plus, 2000, year 2000, right? Smartphone. And a lot of people say that smartphone will replace computer. Until now, no, never. Right? And until AI era, until now, actually AI will help you. It will never take your job. It will help you a lot. Don't think about AI will just replace you. If let's say you think AI will take away my driving job for Grab, right? Why you have never think if I have an AI car will help me to do for me, work for me. I just sleep home and I can get money after wake up. Do you think will this better?
the AI make people more lazy.
Exactly, AI will make people more lazy. Lazy means that you have a lot of time. You can spend time with your family, right?
not lazy more freedom
Freedom.
yes
Yes. Don't become a hard worker. Become a hard enjoyer.
you can consider AI is our very good darling help us a lot
Yes. Yes.
we work together
It work for you. AI work for you and make money for you and just sit at home. Alright? So before we end of this class, there is a survey for this. You need to fill out the form. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this passes through, and there's a there's a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just need to tick. You need to just need to tick. If you think the tutorial sharing today is good, then maybe you can give me this one. Okay, yeah, and the rest is based on your feeling. Just fill out the form.
I don't understand.
You don't understand?
Yeah,
Can explain a little bit? Okay.
yes.
Okay, actually, the training objective will communicate upfront, which means that is this yeah, this is just a feedback from you after you attend the class. With this course well organized, with this trainer friendly, am I good enough? All this information that I share to you actually is true or not, is really applicable for your job or not, and it is the time, is this training valuable or not, and is this room comfortable, and is this training, will you come back again? If you think yes, then give me just tick it. Just choose the option. Yes. Thank you. And the training title is about the training that you need to write down the training title. The training title, the very first one, and you need to sign. Okay, the training title is AI Prompt Engineering. AI Prompt Engineering. Yes. There's no hard feeling. Just fill up the form.
Would you know the trainer's name?
Do you know my name? Edmund. Edman. Edmund. Yeah, date should be changed to 25. 25 of December 2024. You need to sign at the back.
AI Pro
Yeah.
Engineering.
Yeah, AI Prompt Engineering. This is the title. Yes. Prompt Engineering. Prompt, which is the instruction. Okay. Remember to sign at the second page.
Signature. Very much boss. Thank you, boss. Wow, boss strong with you.ของซิ่งแล้วเอามานี่เอามานี่นี่เอามา
不要招吗？要遮住，遮住。Last thing, so let's come have a group photo. Huh? 做拍得到了，我这样子拍就可以了，应该是这样子拍可以了。好，OK OK，再放这边拍。来坐，坐上面。这边。 Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye.
姐姐。